Hey BROCHIKAS, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys don't mind this haul that I'm doing in this format. I just wasn't able to do a sit down nice little haul for you guys because my whole family was being super loud. So I always spread my stuff out and sanitize it on the floor like this. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got from this Dollar Tree Essentials run. I found these storage containers, and since I am working on so much organizing in my house and I saw them there, I figured I'd pick 3 of them up. I like the gray top, and this is great for like cereal or like little crackers or animal crackers, cookies, whatever, to organize your pantry, but they don't always have them there. And when I saw them, I was like, I gotta get them. So they had the Spick and Span antibacterial spray cleaner, which kills bacteria and viruses. I was very happy to find this because they haven't had antibacterial spray in a very long time, so I picked one up. I also found a Germex hand sanitizer. It was limit 1 per person, so I picked that up. And I found antibacterial soap. They haven't had soap at the Dollar Tree ever since this began, so when I saw them, I picked 2 up. They are the small container though, keep in mind. I originally went there because I needed the dishwasher packs. Unfortunately, they didn't have any name brands, so I did pick up the Dollar Tree one. I'll let you guys know how it works. And I also got this nighttime sleep aid. This is like a generic ZzzQuil bottle. I've been having trouble falling asleep lately since I don't go anywhere or go to work or do much. I've been having trouble sleeping, so I picked this up for myself. I also found some seasonings. Obviously, we're all doing a lot of cooking, so you got to spice up your life where you can, and they had some name brand seasonings, and I also needed cayenne pepper, but I'm really excited about this Longhorns and Red Lobster seasoning. I also got some cake mix because I realized in 3 days it's my son's birthday and I don't know what we're going to do. It's really sad that he has to have his birthday at a time like this, but luckily they have Pillsbury cake, frosting, and sprinkles, so I figured it would be fun for me and the kids to bake a cake together. And then also I saw this Spa Naturals bath salt in the scent rose and lavender. I was very excited to see this because I'm just needing to have some nice calm days in the bath, so I picked them up. I really needed lip balm. I just ran out of mine that I keep upstairs, so I got the Carmex. And my husband is almost out of his body wash, so I picked him up this one. It's a little bit smaller than a regular bar. And I also had gotten these little playing cards for my daughter and my son to play with because when they saw our 90s card game, they were like, why can't we have a kid card game? And I felt bad, so I was like, okay, hopefully I can find one. And I did. They had a Frozen 2 deck of cards, and these are jumbo size, so it was really fun to play Go Fish with the kids. I came across this milk, and you guys, this is a really good value, so if you see this at Dollar Tree, definitely pick it up. This is definitely essential to my life. I'm always drinking almond milk, and this goes for about $4 retail, I believe. It's the Khalifa Farms brand, and you can find this in the grocery stores or online. I forget that grocery shopping online thing, but anyways, this is expensive almond milk, and I saw one left, so I picked it up because I'm always drinking it. And then I picked up a Nescafe Taster's Choice instant coffee because I kind of want to try that TikTok weird foamy coffee thing, but also I can't find coffee in the grocery stores. So just in case I don't find any, I decided to pick up the instant coffee. Now, this was a really great thing to find, the Snyder's pretzels. They had all different kinds of pretzels in this huge size that usually retails for $2.99. So I picked up the honey wheat. And you can see in comparison to the peanut butter pretzels, it is a very large bag, the ones that they usually sell in the grocery store. And then I got 6 bags of the peanut butter pretzels by Anderson because we're obsessed with those. It's one of our favorite snacks. So anytime I go, I do pick up a lot of these. And just showing you guys some of the nutritional content. And I also picked up the Stouffer's animal cookies in the iced kind because my kids like to have those for dessert, and we just ran out of the other ones that I bought. I picked up this pan to make the birthday cake in, but then I realized I didn't even need it. I could have used something that I had. I think like when I go in the stores now, I like forget. It's like I get zoned out. I saw these snacks and they are not Greenbrier, so it looked very interesting to me, and they look like healthier versions of snacks, so I was really excited to try them. No preservatives, gluten-free, and high protein. And when I did open them up, I tried them today. They are both very delicious. I would describe them as like a little healthy candy bar, granola bar type thing. But they are very small. They're basically like a fun-sized Snickers. So they are smaller than they seem, but they are very delicious, and it's like a healthy alternative to grabbing a candy, so I bought those. And I also found the sugar-free Russell Stover's candies, only in the coconut flavor, but usually they don't have the sugar-free ones there, so that was exciting. Mind you, only 3 come in a pack. So 3 is the serving size, but you only get 3 in a pack, so 3 for $1. And that was it for my essentials haul. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little video. I'm sorry that I'm doing a voiceover, but thank you guys for watching as always. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more essentials hauls, like every time I go to a store to get essentials, I can make a haul. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.